Hey folks, in this video we're going to be checking out the new Peak Design Nomad collaboration. They came out with a case together that is a little more rugged. You got thicker corners, it's got that really heavy duty look, and it comes in a sleek black. I have been using the everyday case for a while now. This is one of my favorite cases I've ever used on the iPhone. I've got some of the new colors here. Got a yellow SlimLink wallet that fits great on the midnight color. The everyday case is nice and slim, feels great in my hand. When I finally got the 15 Pro Max version, it was like saying hello to an old friend again. This is going to be a hard one to dethrone, but let's check out this Nomad case. So here is the Nomad Peak Design rugged case, and here's the box it comes in. Here is the box from the everyday case, which a little bigger, a little more branding. Both of these have the SlimLink attachment, which will be really nice for using this on all my Peak Design accessories. I think that SlimLink ecosystem is pretty clutch. Alright, let's pop this open. Okay, nice and sleek looking. You have kind of this smooth plastic right here. That's pretty smooth all around actually. So this is a beefy case. You have these nice grippy buttons on the side right here, and on the other side your action button and your volume buttons do not have that grippiness. It's also that kind of smooth style. Got a little Nomad Peak Design branding down there. Other than that, there's no branding whatsoever, which I really like. Oh no, there's a little Nomad thing here, but whatever. Let's pop this on the phone, see how it looks. Alright, feels pretty good in the hand. I like the grippy button on the side. Action button, check. Volume, yep, feels good. So it looks like there's maybe a little bit more protection around your lenses, which I appreciate. And you can see just the sides of these things have these kind of raised TPU style plastic, and that kind of gives it a little bump up. Stays nice and flat. Maybe a little give there. No fingerprints. That's nice. Nothing noticeable. You can kind of maybe see a little sheen, but there's no blotches at all. Let's see how the wallet fits on there. Oh yeah, nice and strong. That's what's great about these wallets from Peak Design. When you have them paired with one of the Peak Design cases, the magnets are super strong. I'm definitely a believer now of these little wallets. I ditched my other wallet a long time ago and never looked back. So I've been using this for about a week now, and I gotta say it's definitely grown on me. At first I wasn't too into the smoothness of it, but I think I figured out who this is really for. This is gonna be for the user who really puts their phone case to the extremes, whether it be using this on a motorcycle, on the bikes. That's when you're really gonna need this extra protection. Also, this has a 15-foot drop protection rating, as the everyday cases have 6 feet. I've dropped the phone in the everyday case more times than I can count on my hands, and everything works just fine. But yeah, if you're gonna drop it off the side of a cliff on accident. This style of case reminds me of that style of case where the phone flew out of the Alaskan Airlines flight and was still working. It was this type of case with the nice round shock absorbing edges, and that's gonna come in handy. This black color, I could see this on a motorcycle or some type of black Ducati or something where you're just gonna want everything to be black and sleek looking. This really looks like some metal carbon fiber type of material, so that's definitely nice. And I did actually get used to the smoothness of this. But I think I'm gonna be sticking with the slimmer everyday case just because I like that slimmer vibe. I like a little bit of pop of color. I like that you can kind of mix and match these colors up a bit. So I think it really just kind of depends on your vibe and what you like as a user. Something bigger, more protected and sleeker, or something slim with some colors and some pop. But either way, these are great cases. Peak Design, I recommend these cases to everyone. So I hope that helped get you some eyeballs and some thoughts on these cases and which one you should check out for yourself. And hit that subscribe button down below because I'd love to see you at the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.